Hey everyone, get ready to dive into an exciting brand new idea that's going to take your video content to the next level. You've probably seen those miniature world videos blowing up with millions of views, where creators are making serious money, sometimes millions, right from their phones. These videos show tiny objects or people doing incredible things, often created with the power of AI. Some folks are crafting miniature construction scenes, others are whipping up tiny foods, and so much more. But here's the deal. To stand out and go viral, you've got to do something fresh, something no one else is doing. That's where this game-changing concept comes in. I'm beyond pumped to share a totally unique idea that could spark a new trend and make your videos go viral, inshallah. Let's jump in and learn how to create these epic miniature world videos with a twist that'll leave everyone speechless. The core concept is simple. Tiny people, but instead of building or crafting, we're going to show them climbing massive fruits like they're scaling mountains. Imagine tiny adventurers conquering giant grapes, strawberries, or bananas, decked out in realistic climbing gear. This idea is completely original. No one's doing this yet, but the category is already hot, so you're stepping into a proven space with a fresh spin. Trust me, this is your chance to shine. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every step to create these jaw-dropping videos. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big like if you're excited to get started. Let's make it happen. First, head over to google.com and type in chatgpt.com. This is your go-to tool for brainstorming ideas. It's like having a creative best friend who's always ready to help. You can ask it anything and it'll give you awesome responses. For example, let's type in a prompt in simple, clear language. Here's what I'm writing. I want to create an image of a realistic man climbing a massive bunch of grapes. His clothes and tools should look like he's scaling a mountain. Then add, write 2 image prompts for this concept. Hit enter, and boom, ChatGPT gives you 2 detailed prompts. One might be for a daytime scene, another for a nighttime vibe. Pick the one you love, or if you want more ideas, just ask. For instance, type, write 10 more prompts with the same situation, but different fruits and backgrounds. Hit enter and you'll get a list of incredible ideas. Think tiny climbers on strawberries, coconuts, or bananas, each with unique settings. These prompts are your golden ticket to creating viral content. Now, let's turn those prompts into stunning visuals. Copy one of the prompts and head over to Google. Search for ideogram.ai. Once you're on their website, paste the prompt into the text box. Click the size button and choose 9:16 or 16:9, depending on what you need. Then hit the model button and select version 3.0 for the best results. For style, click the style button and choose realistic to make your images pop. Hit the generate button and watch as 4 amazing images start to come to life based on your prompt. You can also try this on piclumen.com. Paste the same prompt, select your size, and hit generate. Another great option is leonardo.ai. Same process, paste the prompt, choose your settings, and generate. Now let's say the images aren't quite perfect. For example, PicLumen might give you a great scene, but the grapes are too small. No problem. Head back to ChatGPT and refine the prompt. Type, the fruits should be 50 times larger than the man and he's climbing them like a mountain. Ask for updated prompts, hit enter, and you'll get new ones with the changes you want. Copy the updated prompt, paste it back into Ideogram, PicLumen, or Leonardo, and generate again. Check out the difference. Now the grapes are massive and the concept is spot on. Keep tweaking until you're thrilled with the results. Once you've got your perfect images, download them. But before turning them into videos, you'll need to upscale them for better quality. Use tools like CapCut's Upscaler or pixelcut.ai. Upload your image, increase the size, and you're ready for the next step. Now, let's transform those images into epic videos. Head to kling.ai. Click the video button and select the plus icon to upload your upscaled image from your phone. In the prompt box, type, man is climbing slowly. This simple line works for all your images to show the tiny adventurer moving up the fruit. Hit generate and your video will start coming together. You can do the same on hilo.ai. Click create video, Select Image to Video, upload your next image, and use the same prompt, "Man is climbing slowly." Choose the middle model, set the duration to 30 seconds, and hit Generate. Boom! Your videos are ready and they look incredible. This is a totally fresh idea that no one else is doing, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. Finally, it's time to edit your videos. Open any video editor, arrange your clips, and add some epic background music to set the vibe. Overlay text with your channel name to make it yours. Once you're done, export the video from your editor, and you're ready to share it with the world. If you start creating these videos today with passion and consistency, inshallah, success is within your reach. But here's the key: stay dedicated and keep pushing forward. Hard work and persistence are the secret sauce to going viral. If you love this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so we can keep connecting and you can keep learning new ways to create amazing videos.